उद्घाटन समारोह के अवसर पर मैं आज के मुख्य अतिथि श्री के दुर्गा प्रसाद, भारतीय पुलिस सेवा महानिदेशक केरेपू बल को उनके द्वारा अपना बहुमूल्य समय निकालकर इस शिविर की शुरुआत करने के लिए आकर हमारा गौरव बढ़ाने के लिए हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं और सभी गुड़गांव के रैंक एंड फाइल की ओर से धन्यवाद प्रेषित करता हूं। इसके अतिरिक्त मैं एनएसडीसी के सीईओ श्री जयंत कृष्ण जी को एवं एनएसडीसी के और सभी अधिकारियों को जो इस समारोह में उपस्थित हैं को भी धन्यवाद प्रेषित करता हूं। नेशनल डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन और सीआरपीएफ ने ये जो ट्रेडमेंस की परीक्षण एवं सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए हाथ मिलाया है, यह एक सराहनीय व दूरदर्शी कदम है। इस प्रशिक्षण शिविर में शामिल सभी ट्रेडमेंस के कार्य से की गुणवत्ता बढ़ेगी और वह फोर्स में उच्च दर्जे की सेवाएं प्रदान कर सकेंगे। इसके अतिरिक्त मैं वेलफेयर ब्रांच, आईजी एडम, आईजी मेडिकल और सीआरपीएफ के अन्य अधिकारीगण जो दिल्ली से चलकर यहाँ इस समारोह की शोभा बढ़ाने आए, उनका हृदय से आभारी हूँ और उनके प्रति आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। एकेडमी के अधिकारी, ग्रुप केंद्र के सभी अधिकारियों का एक बार आभार व्यक्त करते हुए मैं अंत में डीजी साहब का धन्यवाद प्रदान करता हूँ।
अभी मैं सभी डिग्निटरी से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि रिफ्रेशमेंट्स के लिए आपके लिए पूरा अरेंजमेंट किया गया है, वहाँ पे जाएं, फोटो सेशन के लिए भी वहाँ पे, और उसके बाद फिर प्रोसीड करें जो भी हमारे आरपीएल के साइट विजिट्स हैं उसके लिए। थैंक यू।
Do you have a place where everybody can fit into one group? All the people in the auditorium?
Yes, sir. Last time you did that one small area of everybody standing and photographing. So the idea is
I see, yeah.
everybody stands here and all the 200 or 150.
Wonderful.
3 months. But yeah, I have been here for 9 months.
9 months.
We sit in the one.
आप कैमरा लेके नीचे आ जाओ।
फिल्म को अपना लेना है, किसी को पता नहीं लगेगा। वो असल तो पीछे बोल रहा है। प्राइवेट आदमी क्या करिए, मैं जो है चला क्यों
वेट सर वेट।
Right?
थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू।
Thank you, gentlemen.
worksheet जो जिस हिसाब से like when we start off with the simpler exercises. So these are for that, and these are all time-bound exercises that we do. And then we have more complex ones on which they will be actually asked to practice. And then there is a book.
This is for what? Cutting or what?
No, sir, this is for stitching.
Oh, this is for stitching on
Yeah,
the
so
lines.
like on these lines. So it is all time-bound. Like
Since they will be using just this machine for making a
But is it
straight.
good enough for RPS? I think actually some people who know tailoring. If you give it to me, perhaps I can do it straight.
Even we need to first assess at what level they are.
Acha, oh, right.
Because the RPL moon model is first assess what level they are.
this is the RPL book. What is required. And then there is a
So how many hours of training you are giving?
assessment orientation. So we are planning to finish it off in 2 days, and third day we will have the assessment.
2 full days, right?
2 full days, 6 hours each, and then 1 hour of lunch break. Or tea
Because
break.
this is RPL, it is recognition of prior learning. So this is not from scratch. So from scratch it takes anywhere between 2 months to 6 months. Kind of thing.
Most of the tailor
We already have hands.
Right.
They just need to be aligned to the assessment module so that they can have that skill certification.
इवन जैसे कि सब बोल रहे हैं लेडीज के लिए करने के लिए मोस्ट ऑफ दी आवर लेडीज विल आल्सो क्लियर ऑन दिस बिकॉज दे आर स्टिचिंग आवर यूनिफॉर्म
Acha, oh, okay, all right.
we already have a family welfare center where Jawan's wives stitch our uniforms and all clothes required in the
I see.
force.
Okay.
And we pay them.
So we had done for RPL, Jawan's wives and all that, we had done a small RPL. Was it RPL? This was
Yet it was done in Shoria. I think.
That's right, sorry, yeah. So his wife had come.
Yeah. That was function was the RPM.
Correct. No, good. I mean, you already have the base skill, थोड़ा finishing skills हो जाएंगी, and you're the trainer. But कौन किसको train करेंगे? वो लोग कहाँ हैं?
जो सामने वाला।
तो आपने कहाँ सीखा है बाल काटना?
सर मैं तो
कहीं ट्रेनिंग हुई अभी तक? सीखा कैसे? कभी सीखा होगा ना?
हाँ इनिशियली
कहाँ पे सीखा?
जब तुम फोर्स में आए थे तब तो
वो जगह सीखा था।
हाँ नहीं जब फोर्स में आ गए उसके बाद ट्रेनिंग हुआ होगा ना कटाने का 25 साल से काटी है।
अच्छा। तो जब ज्वाइन किया था सीआरपीएफ तब आपने गांव में सीखा हुआ था? अच्छा। तो ठीक है, then he's the right target for RPF.
इम्प्रूवमेंट बल्कि हमने इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए लोगों को
But he needs to be exposed to higher technology.
yes. The latest tools and all that. Yeah.
Which we will do.
So when you do this hair, this thing, do you do with, let's say, a face massage or a head massage, those kind of things also? No.
So like the
They're not a part of the job.
has been no, that is not part of the job. Face
But for
massage
these
is-
kind of outlets, most of them, multitasking is required.
So maybe Jitin, you can add that. Excuse
Even
me, he
we
knows that, he will add it.
are trying to get them trained from some parlor also for facial and all that.
यही करते ज़्यादा अच्छा है। अगर आप सिखा सकते हैं
Because even if you go to a 5-star hotel salon,
Yes.
the same guy does
Same guy
multiple
does,
things.
because of training on
Training,
क्योंकि जो सीखा उससे तो आगे सिखाना ना बिल्कुल तो फायदा है।
जो चीज़ हमने सीखी उससे एडवांस सिखाएंगे इनको।
क्योंकि इनको इक्विपमेंट अभी चलाने आते हैं नहीं जो है ना लेटेस्ट वो आते हैं उल्टा सीधा कर वही चीज़ इनको सिखा दीजिए।
और आपने कहाँ से सीखा?
सर मैंने एल्प्स अकेडमी सीखा था और मेरा 6 महीने का एक्सपीरियंस पेरिस का था। पेरिस में वैसे मैंने किया था। उसके बाद मैं यहाँ पे एल्प्स अकेडमी लैक्मे में जॉब किया है, दिसॉन जो इंटरनेशनल है वहाँ पे जॉब किया हुआ है।
Very good.
And sir,
6 महीने में अभी तिहाड़ में भी करी है और
Sir,
जुमेला में
he was there for the Tihar project also, which we have done last year. And now
But
he's
Tihar में hair cutting तो नहीं था? Was there?
yes, sir. And now he's
Maybe when I
also.
went there, Tihar, I didn't see this.
नहीं sir, जब the jail that you had gone to jail number 4, that we were only doing data entry operator and BPO there, and it was there in other jails. And
I've been to 2 jails, but उसमें नहीं होगा किसी और में, or maybe the timing may have been.
3 and 5,
5 jails.
3, 5, 7 and 8 may he has done. And we right now we are doing a CSR project for juvenile homes also. So when Mr. Verma went as the Commissioner of Police, so he had called us. He said कि आप अपना CSR project because that does not fall under PMKY बच्चे छोटे हैं वहाँ पे.
Correct.
So we have done around 4 batches in the CSR.
That's been done as a special project, no? I
No,
think.
we have done it as a CSR project from Ireland.
अच्छा, okay.
So we have done around 4 batches of hairstylists and 4 batches of assistant cook for the kids who are like housed at juvenile homes. So he is also training there. Here he was training there. That is finished off now.
तो आपका ये जो सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, जो थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग करके, इसका आप क्या करेंगे?
और कहाँ रखेगा?
हाँ?
क्या करेगा उसके बाद क्या करेगा? रखी क्या करेगा? नहीं
नहीं मतलब आपको लाइफ में क्या फर्क आएगा? भाई आप तो काम वैसे ही वो कर रहे हैं, अच्छा लगेगा। उसको फ्रेम करा के घर पे रखिए
इसकी
अच्छी तरह
दुकान
से।
है, इसके और सब फादर ये
अच्छा।
सब फ्रॉम बार्बर कम्युनिटी।
तो उसकी कलर फोटोकॉपी करा के एक यहाँ पर, एक दूसरी जो शॉप है वहाँ पे, एक घर पे रखिए, उसकी बहुत ऑनर की बात है। शुक्रिया। इस कैंपस में और भी कोई ब्यूटी पार्लर होना चाहिए?
नहीं सर, एक यहाँ पे फर्नीचर वाला
तो जब आइए यहाँ पे might as well कोई See, you be candid on it.
No, I'm CRP.
अच्छा, you CRP is candid, okay, all right. उसमें you have a mess also. Yes, somebody can phone it, ना पूरी है कितने कम है, maybe.
Here also we have golf course.
अच्छा, ये golf course आप इसी के CRPF के सेंटर का ही पार्ट है?
Yes.
कितने होल्स का है? 9 होल्स. Right, how are you?
So this is for carpentry. We are putting because of the number which we have to clear by 2023. So this is the right way. It has got accuracy, speed, and whatever after scaling the permit, you cannot have any department. Can make a cut and we have talked to dust.
So where are those suction this thing? अच्छा, okay.
So it's all dust free.
Environment, yeah. So the fine dust is actually extracted by the system.
So these technologies have a capacity to revolutionize the entire carpentry sector in the country.
And just if you see this joinery, so it's like biscuit, no nails. So we say nails are the cancer of furniture usually. So it can be very easily, very quickly.
Even door frame and everything can be done.
And so that kind of cider in 2 hours we can.
We can try a small
2
cut.
hours. Otherwise it takes about 2 days.
Please. So we the first cut we get the final cut. So we can straight away process for the next. So it's very fast.
No need for
No need for doing any kind of finishing. And if we see the joinery, it comes very fast. Can we do? So there's an entire process for it. This is just one part of it.
But is this as strong as if you put a nail or
More
a
stronger.
More stronger.
Yes, sir.
Far
We
more
also
stronger.
put that bit of
Adhesive will come and then with the clamp it will be fixed.
A small device which we used to have very bulky machinery which we cannot move. Today a carpenter can carry it anywhere at any point of operations and can function.
Excellent.
We will show you the वो उठा रहा जरा वो पीछे से box उठा के दिखाना.
And for very special application, these machinery can also be collated.
This can be charged, right?
Yes.
So it comes in these
It runs on packing batteries.
This is the packing.
Rechargeable batteries.
Rechargeable batteries. And they are, yeah. So these are the kind of biscuits which are used to make. So now we can even have something known as knockdown solid furniture.
Okay.
So we can produce the furniture at one point and then assemble it at another location.
That's not all branded, even this is branded.
But those are basically on boards. Solid surface is, solid wood is a different aspect altogether. But now it is also possible. And then it can be collapsed in a very short time and assembled, quickly.
So just like IKEA is doing all over.
Exactly, IKEA is doing all over the world with the
That
manual
is a challenge
processing.
for us.
Now
They are
for-
coming next year to
Yes.
They already started setting up their.
We are supposed to be
Kandla
training
and
about
Hyderabad
30,000
and
women in India.
The best part is, I don't need to be professionally a carpenter to do this job. So anybody and everybody can,
जैसे वो सब लोग फॉरेन में अपने घर में खुद ही
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly. There is one specialty about this kind of system. They are the safest in the world. They are green tools. They are green tools for many reasons. And these tools are now, even women operate these tools. So the efficiency levels are all in
I'm
the
told
machine.
IKEA says that 60% of the workforce in India has to be women.
Yes. So
we're working on that only.
Can I try?
yeah, why not? Why not? Very easy. You should also try. So very simple.
So IKEA is also recommending
This is a
these
gauge
tools
here.
only to skills
I'm going
also
to hold
be
it like
trained.
this. You just hold it clear. You can hold one hand here. This is just for the support. Yeah.
I've earned my day's wages, you know.
In other words, it was like working with a pen and using this machine is the same thing only.
Almost,
Yeah.
So would you like to
physical
try?
effort is there. Actually, no physical effort.
Turn to.
Perfect, you know.
I mean, if sir can do, anybody can do it. So that's the best part. Would you like?
Come,
to
let's
answer
try.
that?
Yeah.
Come back. Just put your hand like this. First the lock. Upside. Yeah. Now, so yeah, you have to press this one.
Pull it back. Okay. Oh, that's how it's. Good.
Very clean lines also.
I should carry this as a memento.
Janet, let's have the
Yeah, I'm looking. Yes, why not? It's you know. Yeah. So yeah, safety lock on. Perfect.
But you know, on the lighter side, if even I can do it, why do we need skills?
But to operate, you need skills.
The point is that you know, we have the process where we can have anybody that skill set to make a furniture. That's the idea.
I know. Correct.
In my sector skill council study, gap study, 52 lakhs by 2022, and this is the answer. If I go by conventional, I can't do it.
See, what I admired, I attended one of their AGMs, you know, their SSC, they have done such beautiful segmentation and they have ensured that for every segment there are industry partners present here. I mean, not just, you know, adhesives, there is a separate focus. Every subsector, you know, there are people on the governing council to make it very, very representative.
But the problem is,
Idea को भी लेके आइए अपने.
India is the largest importer of finished furniture. That is where we are another challenge.
Really,
And we have numbers all across the country. You go to rural India.
these technologies, men, women, even
0.5% of our GDP is furniture.
people can do.
Absolutely. It's a huge market we are losing to China.
Absolutely. 1 year course.
Thank you, sir.
So this can only make straight edges, or it can also
Oh no, we got all the other machines also.